Yeah. Listen carefully, students. Why we are taking a 90-degree angle? Because property of rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Each and every angle is the right angle. Right angle. That's why we are constructing here 90-degree angle straight. If we will not take 90-degree angle, that is not a rectangle. That is not a rectangle. Yes. Again, I'm repeating how to do this construction. Firstly, I want to draw one line segment AB 8 centimeter. Again, take B as a center. Draw one. Construct 90-degree angle by using protractor. Why we are constructing 90-degree angle? Because that is the property of rectangle. Each and every angle is right angle or 90-degree. I have taken B as a center. I construct 90-degree angle. But arc I have taken 5 centimeter. Again, this arc is touching in this point. This point I have taken is C. Again, I take C as a center. I draw an arc of radius 8 centimeter. Why? Because length is 8 centimeter. Now this arc is touching this point. Point D and A I have joined. This is the construction of ABCD. Now note down step first. Draw line segment. Step 1. Draw line segment AB is equal to 8 centimeter. Students, if question is asking 2 marks question or 3 marks question, then 2 marks will be for construction and 1 marks will be for steps. If question is coming 3 marks, then 2 marks will be construction and 1 marks for the steps. Note down step 1. Draw AB is equal to 8 centimeter. Draw AB is equal to 8 centimeter. Step 2. Step 2. Take B as a center. Step 2. Take B as a center. 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 Construct 90-degree of radius 5 centimeter. Take B as a center. Construct 90-degree of an arc of radius of 5 centimeter at point C. Step 3. Take C as a center. Take C as a center. Draw an arc of radius 8 centimeter. Take C as a center, comma. Draw an arc of radius. Draw an arc of radius 8 centimeter. Comma. From point A, draw an arc of 5 centimeter From point A, draw an arc of 5 centimeter, arc of 5 centimeter at point D. Step 4, join AD and CD. Step 4, join AD and CD. Step 4, join AD and CD. Hence, ABCD is the required rectangle. Hence, ABCD is the required rectangle. Hence, ABCD is the required rectangle. Example 2. Note down everyone. Example second. Construct a rectangle with one side and one diagonal of a rectangle as 5 centimeter and 5.7 centimeter respectively. In previous question, I have given length and breadth, but in this question, one side he has given and diagonal he has given. Then how to do construction? Very easy concept. This construction is very easy. Construction. Five centimeter is the length and 5.7 centimeter is the diagonal. All students start constructing along with me. Everyone. I'm assuming length is equal to 5 centimeter and diagonal, here breadth is not there, diagonal is equal to 5.7 centimeter. Firstly, I want to draw one rough sketch. Rough sketch. Rough sketch. This is one rectangle. Suppose this name is ABCD. Length he has given 5 centimeter. And this diagonal he has given 5.7 centimeter. This construction I want to do. Students, if you know rough sketch, easily you can draw the construction, you can construct the any figure. First, draw line segment AB 5 centimeter with the help of a scale. Start construction, everyone along with me. Draw line segment AB 5 centimeter. Draw line segment AB 5 centimeter. Draw line segment AB 5 centimeter. Time up, students. We'll explain tomorrow.